Follow these instructions to change the cutting height of your Flymo hover mower. First, ensure that you have disconnected the product from the mains electricity supply. With your product turned upside down, adjust the cutting height of the hover mower by adding or removing spacers to the fan. Adding just one spacer to the fan will result in a shorter cutting height. For each spacer you add, the cutting height will become shorter. It's important that you never use more than the 3 cutting spacers supplied with your product. Make sure all the spacers you use are sat level before attaching the blade. Taking the blade so that the grass side is facing up, use the 2 smaller locating holes on the blade to align with the 2 pegs located on the spacer. With the blade sat level, thread the blade bolt back through the middle hole and screw back into position. Using the spanner provided, tighten into place in a clockwise motion, taking care at all times not to catch your hands on the blade. We recommend you use only genuine Flymo replacement parts. Details of where these are available can be found on www.flymo.com/UK. We hope you found this how-to video useful.